So Jiva Goswami concludes his purport with a little philosophy, quoting Srimad Bhagavatam, third canto, chapter 2, verse 12. Bhagavan Sri Krishna appeared in this mortal world by his internal potency, Yogamaya. Krishna came to this world in his eternal form, suitable for his pastimes. Krishna's pastimes are wonderful for everyone, even for those proud of their own opulence, including the Lord himself in his form of Vaikuntanath. Thus, Krishna's body is the ornament of all ornaments. That's that famous verse, third canto 2. Sarva Bhushanam Bhushananam. Sarva Bhushanam Bhushananam. Krishna is the ornament of all ornaments. Most people wear necklaces and rings and many things, decorations on their body to increase or enhance the beauty of their body. But when Krishna puts on necklaces and rings and all these armlets and whatnot, they become more beautiful when they contact Krishna's Saundarya Rupam. Enhances their beauty, not the other way around. So this is a speciality that he's the ornament of all ornaments. And the ornaments look all right on anybody else, but when the same ornaments are put on Krishna, the same pearl necklace and the same gold necklace and the same sapphire necklace, they look thousands of times more beautiful due to the association of Krishna's unlimitedly beautiful body. Ananta Saundarya Rupam.